This week, art, library, and music have teamed up to create an interactive cross-curricular activity. For our music portion, we will be taking our art piece that we created that's inspired by Kandinsky and turning it into music. To access this activity, please go to your Music Google Classroom to access the Kandinsky Music Lab site. Click on the link in blue to get started. Please take your art piece that you created with Miss Whitbourne as your source of inspiration. Each color group creates a different sound, so I'm going to start with blue and green. Using your mouse, if you're on a laptop or a computer, or your finger if you're on a tablet, draw your black lines one at a time. If you see my picture only has the black lines and it's not colored in, that way you can see it really easily. So I'm going to start first with my squiggle line. So I'm going to click and drag. And I'm going to try and follow my pattern as best as I can. So I did my squiggle. I'm going to try doing my cloud shapes, my loopy shapes. And sometimes the mouse doesn't want to let go, so I just double click it to release it. Let's do my zigzag. Now I don't like those zigzags as much, so I'm going to go over to the back button and click that, and it'll erase my zigzag so I can try it again. I like that better. And I'm going to click it to release. Next, I'm going to do my 2 rows of dots. Now, your picture might not look exactly the same as that you drew, but it's a wonderful place to start for inspiration, especially if you really like your drawing that you did. And I'm going to do my dash marks. Let's try that. And last, I'm going to do my swirl. Now I want to hear what this sounds like, so I'm going to push the play button. Let's hear what it sounds like with the different color. What do you notice that's different with the sound? Does it remind you of any instruments? Let's see what the pink and purple sounds like. Now this sounds very similar to some instruments that we might play in class. To me, this sounds like xylophones. I would love to see what you've created. To share your work with me, you go to your Google Slides page and you click on your Flipgrid link and log in using your school email. I'm going to go over to the Flipgrid page. This is what it will look like. You click on the plus button to record a response. You click the 3 dots at the bottom of your screen and click Screen Recording. You then click Start Screen Recording and a window will show up. And then that way you can click and share your entire screen. I'm then going to go up to my Chrome Music Lab page and click play so that I can share my piece with you. I hope you enjoy this activity and I can't wait to see your responses.